Explore the power of possibilities with Nichiha. Whatever the look you're after, there's a Nichiha architectural wall panel to help you achieve it. This animated installation video series is a new way for us to share with you our inside story and show you what's possible with our fiber cement system solution. KuraStone installation. KuraStone products can be installed on braced wood or steel stud construction. It is required that plywood sheathing or 7/16 inch APA rated OSB be used. Apply weather-resistive barrier per local building codes and then apply a layer of black felt. Be sure all openings are properly flashed according to manufacturer's guidelines in all codes. KuraStone wall pieces feature grooves on all four sides for installing clips and starter track on any side. Most wall pieces are 6 inches in height and come in 3 lengths, 10 1/4, 15 3/8, and 25 5/8 inch. Wall pieces are non-handed. They are designed with no dedicated top or bottom so they can be rotated to ensure a random pattern. One pack contains 2 short, 2 medium, and 3 large pieces. Use these in random combinations to stagger vertical seams. Each KuraStone outside corner is made with a short and long side to stagger vertical seams. KuraStone border pieces have one finished edge for material transitions or door and window trim. They come in 17 inch and 10 1/4 inch lengths and are also designed with no dedicated top or bottom. The starter track has pre-drilled fastener holes and drain holes every 2 inches. The KuraStone clip is used to fasten the pieces to the wall. Spacers are used to ensure proper panel positioning and stability. Installation begins with a starter track. Position the starter track a minimum of 6 inches from soil grade or per local building codes. When installing over a hard surface such as a driveway or a sidewalk, a 2-inch clearance is acceptable. The starter track must be level and is then fastened at 8 inches on center with corrosion-resistant screws. Be sure to leave a 1/2 inch to 1 inch distance from the corner or end of the course. Corners are installed at the same time as the rest of the course of panels. Place the first corner piece onto the starter track, making sure it is seated properly on both sides. Verify 1/2 inch to 1 inch space from starter track to corner. Place a KuraStone clip into the groove on the top piece no more than 1 inch from the corner. Tap the clip down with a claw end of a hammer to ensure it's seated into the groove properly. Using a 3/4 inch number 8 wood screw, fasten the clip in place. Using the 3 sizes, predetermine a layout, creating a random appearance and staggering all vertical joints. Place the piece onto the starter track. A rubber mallet can be used to gently tap the piece in position. Place a KuraStone clip between the first piece and the already installed piece, ensuring there is no gap between the pieces. Fasten the clip with a 3/4 inch number 8 wood screw. For large piece sizes, add an additional clip at its midpoint. Continue installing the first course, repeating the procedure by installing clips at joint locations and at the center of large size pieces. Remember to stick with the predetermined pattern to ensure a random appearance. At the end of the wall, cut the last unit to size. Do not cut corner units. Check the first course for level before moving on to the second course. Begin the second course by installing a corner piece, staggering the long and short ends. Complete installing the second course using the same procedure as the first, while placing a clip below the center of large size